Well, hey everyone, since this is vlog episode number 100, I wanted to do something significant for this episode, and I've been working on a project. I can't even tell you how many hours I have in this thing, and I'm not finished yet. So I was hoping to have it out this weekend, but here it is Sunday already, and I'm far from finished. But maybe I'll have it done for next week. It's been very, very busy here these last couple of weeks. I bought a shed for this property, a storage shed, and when I bought the shed, they scheduled me for delivery on May 25th. And at that time, I had no road coming in, I had soupy ground, I had stumps to pull. Yeah, so I got busy. But as you can see, I shared with you last week, I got that pad for the shed all done, all the mud grubbed out, got the gravel spread, put the road in, and I've got the road out to this clearing here on the property. Made good accomplishment because we had some hot, dry weather to work with, and that was perfect for the task that I had going on. So then the shed came right on schedule there on the 25th, and they plopped it down. The delivery went slick. No hang-ups, no snafus, nothing. It was perfect. And now it's sitting over there. And I'm going to be heading to New York very soon to start getting some of my stuff out of the cabin. Yeah, man. So everything is going on schedule as planned. I just couldn't pull it off and finish my video for this episode. But that's okay. You'll probably have it next week. You're going to want to pop some popcorn for that one because I think it's going to end up being about an hour and a half long. Yeah, the first Boss of the Swamp movie. So I got my shed delivered, as you can see. I think it looks pretty good in that little nook that I set over there. Yep. Now, if you remember, when I was showing you, I was just starting to put in the driveway here, that this was a big muddy area. And it was always muddy, even in the winter, because when I was trying to plow a spot for us to park, I was always getting into the mud. And then that strip for a couple 100 feet or so was the wet. But this was the wettest part on the whole property. But I've got it all taken care of now, and it's high and dry. It was pretty muddy in here, but I grubbed it all out and I replaced it with this crushed gravel. But I couldn't dig it out ahead of time because if I made a hole, it would fill with water. So I was waiting until the truck was coming, and then I would dig out an area, and as soon as they dumped the gravel, I would get it spread and packed. And then, you know, by the time the next truck came, they could drive that 10-wheeler on here with 20-something tons of stone on it and drive right over and not sink. So we're in good shape now, man. We got a good base for the road here. I wanted to put a shed here, but I can't invest my time right now to build one. So I decided just to buy one and have it delivered, and the price wasn't bad, really. And instead of ordering exactly what I wanted, they had this one in stock, and it'll work. I'm just not wild about that white trim. We're gonna paint that dark green or something to match the roof. Aside from the trim, I think the shed will suit our needs just fine. Let's take a look at it. Yeah. It's 10 by 20, so I think this will work good for us. It came with these little storage lofts up here. Myself, I would not have ordered it with that. And I will end up taking those out and using the 2x4s and stuff someplace else. But all in all, I'm happy enough with the building. Now I really want to get the New York cabin on the market this year, but to do so, I got to start emptying it out. I need a place to put the stuff. There's a lot of stuff in there that we just need to go through and then liquidate. Some stuff I want to keep, some stuff we can sell, but I don't have the time to do that right now. We need a place to put the stuff, and that's what the shed is for. So it'll serve its purpose in that regard for now, and then we will probably turn this into like a kitchen and packaging room for the spice business. Yeah. But hey, it's here. Came on schedule. I got everything done. Mission accomplished. In a little at a time, we'll start cleaning up all of this. This is where I was scooping out all the soft stuff so I could put the road in. But we'll just arrange some of these stones, get this all planted here. That'll look good. There's a lot of topsoil there. We'll make good use of it. I wasn't going to let it go to waste and bury it under the gravel. Yeah, once I get all of this cleaned up, going to be a nice road going into the cabin site. Now, this is packing in really good, man. Yep. I'll show you the next leg of the journey here with the road project. I'll walk you down into the cabin site. So this is as far as I've gotten, but the road's going to continue straight across this opening right to that spruce and beyond. So let's walk over there. And now it's going to go down in through there. Now, aside from a few trees to take down and a few stumps to pull, I'm going to be in good shape for putting this road in. These logging roads are right where I need them to be. So it's going to go down here about another 60, 70 feet and then take a right. Yeah, we're going to go that way, 200 feet or better to get to the cabin site. And even right here, you don't even see the mountain view. It's a little hidden treasure back there. But it will be a nice place to live, though. Yeah, it will. It's going to be a wonderful spot for a cabin, but quite a project to get a road back in here. But that's okay. I'll take my time and get it done. So we started putting in the garden about a week ago. There's still some more to go. You can see some of the plants have a bit of yellow on them, but that happens quite often when you take plants out of a greenhouse and now they're in the direct sun. And there's just too many plants to be taking in and out, to get them climatized. Regardless of the color, they're doing pretty good. We already get some squash growing on them there. Yeah, little pole beans are growing up here. This is one of the new beds that I put in the spring. Filled it up with broccoli, and those are doing really, really good already. This bed here is the prime real estate of the garden, and we devoted it this year to our strawberry patch. And those are doing good. And there's the keeper of the strawberry patch right there. I really hope we have a good crop of strawberries. We cover the whole garden with a big, deep layer of mulch. It'll be old hay, leaves, that sort of thing. It all breaks down, makes beautiful compost. It keeps the weeds down, and when you have to pull one, you see how easy stuff pulls out of the ground, roots and all. Yeah. Works like a charm. So last week I showed you that we brought the little chicks home. Remember Mama's bucket of chicken? So my priority right now is to finish the coop. I'll show you the project. So the coop here, okay, I just put in another window. I'm getting some nesting boxes up in here. All right. So I'm going to get some perches in here, and then a chicken door going out through there, and their little pen here, okay. A little screened-in enclosure, which is covered. All right. They like their perch. And then in this door, there'll be a chicken door in this one as well. So then this is going to be fenced off, and it's going to continue out, and there's going to be roughly a 16 by 16 or 16 by 20 open air pen out there. So the girls can go through this chicken door, go right out there and enjoy this pen, and on stormy days they can go through that chicken door and out there into their covered pen. Now I know some of you are going to say, why build chicken doors? Why not just leave these big doors wide open? Well, I have my reasons for that. So that's the plan for the coop. That one's taking a nap. This one practices social distancing. So my top priority right now is to finish this coop, get the rest of the garden planted, and then I'm going to take a trip to New York, spend a few days at the cabin. I want to bring some of my stuff home, and I also want to pick up that Kitchen Queen 380 that I bought. When all of that is done, we're going to put all of our projects on hold and take a few weeks of R&R. Yeah, I just ordered a brand new tent last night, which I will be showing you, and we're just going to take some time to have some much deserved fun. That's what we're going to do. Yeah. But for now, I'm putting the chicks in my workshop at night, put them out here during the day until I finish their coop. But, as you can see, there's been no complaints from them. Hopefully I'll have everything done by the end of the week, and I'm hoping to have that video done for you too. It's been quite a project, and I'm anxious to share it with you. So that's it for now, folks. All the best to you, and God bless. What do you think about all this?
Frankie and the boss out walking in the woods, living life happy and free. Tracks in the snow everywhere they go. There's a pokey way up in that tree. A beaver built a pond where they have some fun, taking life a day at a time. Best friends until the end. Frankie and the boss, Frankie and the boss, Frankie and the boss.